Hi guys, so before we get into today's video, please don't forget to click that like button and comment down below and subscribe and turn on the bell notification. That helps us support my channel and I'm beyond grateful if you were to do that. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so in today's video I want to share some purchases that I did at Carter's and on Target for my toddler. She is 1.5 and if you're a parent, you know how fast they grow. So she is normally a 3T. So let me explain that a little bit. So her pant size is 3T. She is a long baby girl. So she's like very petite and long. So 3T pants fit her perfectly lengthwise, but they fit her a little loose on the waist. 2 t-shirts still fit her. The 3T just fit her a little bit big because she is kind of like, again, petite. Like she's skinny. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and share it with you. Everything I purchased is 3T. Because I did not get Carter PJs, because Carter PJs do shrink. But I did get some things obviously from Carter's. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the stuff I picked up at Carter's for spring and summer for my baby. So I got her this really cute set. I thought they were adorable. And I normally don't like flowers, but this summer I do want her to be, you know, a little girly. Girlier than mommy. So I got her this really cute set, again 3T. And they did, Carter's and Target did have sales on some stuff. So yeah, I got this set. It's so cute. I cannot wait to put this on her. She's gonna look adorable. I got her the same set in this really cute lemon print. And it comes with the pants. I do not like that it's see-through, so she will definitely be wearing something underneath this, but super duper cute. Again, she is skinny, so I feel like this is might fit her a little bit big, but it's okay. I'll probably get my in-laws to kind of like sew it in or something, but lengthwise it's going to be perfect. And then they had, I bought these items separately, but I bought these really cute shorts. They have pockets, and you guys, I just got this stuff, so you guys can get a real haul. They have pockets. My husband's gonna be so happy about that. He's been dying to put stuff in her pockets. I'm like, don't show her that. But I did love these because they have this, so I can tighten them around her little tummy. And then the shirt that I got to go with it. So cute. I cannot wait to put this on my babies. All right, and then I also got this one. So cute. Again, has the little string to go with the shirt. I got this one, and it has that little cute thing in the back. But yeah, this is another little cute outfit that I got for my baby. So weirdly enough, even though she isn't 3T, those the onesies from Carter's, even after washing them, they fit her. So they're long. It's like the Carter 24 months onesies, which is perfect because she's long. So I did get her quite a bit of these. So they had I believe 5 yeah, 5 for 14. So I got this color. So let me kind of quickly show you what these look like. So I got this one, this one, this one, this cute little watermelon one, and this little orange one. So cute. And then I also got a a yellow set that they had. Again, same concept. It was 5 for 14, same size, 24 months. I said that everything was 3T, and then I realized that this is not 3T. But yeah, they don't really sell these after 24 months, but I do like putting those on her because she likes pulling down her pants, and it keeps her diaper on. So, you know, gotta do what I gotta do. And then this one came with that one as well, and this one. So we got those. And then I believe that's it for Carter's. Yeah, that is it for Carter's. So everything else I picked up at Target. So the ones that she actually has of this brand of PJs, which is mainly Disney, she actually wears 2T and it still fits her perfect. So I got 3T because I know that they're not going to shrink and they will last spring, fall, and summer. I said that all backwards. Spring, summer, and fall. So yeah. Most of these came in sets of 2, which is why I did it. I picked these out because I wanted it to her to have, like, me to have options for her. So I got this really, really cute one. Again, this is Disney Frozen. She loves Frozen. So it comes with the shirt and the long pants. And then it also comes with another shirt, but then it comes with like little boy shorts. Are these even called boy shorts? I believe they're called like boy shorts. But yeah. And these I like because even if I put them all the way up, they will fit her. And I love that they're not like super short because again, she is long. So yeah, I love that they came with a long set and a short set because although yes, summer is hot, we sleep with our air conditioner on still. So I love sleeping in the cold. So at least she's covered because she hates the blankets. So we got that. And then I got this set, and this is Gabby's Dollhouse. Never ever seen that. But I got this one. I just thought the print was super duper cute. And it also had this one. This is the only shirt that has me questioning the size. Because it feels like it's very long, but like it's not wide. I mean, it was gonna fit her, but I just thought the sizing was a little off. But yeah, it comes with those shirts. So cute. And then this is probably my favorite one. I think she actually has something that's similar to it. But it's this Disney princess one. So this is one shirt, this is the other shirt, and then they go with these shorts. Ooh, these shorts and these pants. Don't like how see-through they are, but good thing they're just to go to sleep in. But yeah, so cute. I got these. I obviously got all these, so I don't know why I keep saying I got these. These really cute Mickey Mouse ones. Like I love it. So it comes with these 2. I know these are still attached, so I gotta deattach those. And then it comes with these shorts and these pants. I'm sorry if you can hear my mom. She's kind of loud. She's Puerto Rican. She don't have no silent voice, no indoor voice. And then where is it? Okay. So then it's these Bluey ones. We like Bluey. We like watching Bluey. She doesn't really care for it, but I think Bluey's cute, but whatever. So I got this one. And it also came again with the long pants one. Love that. I know I'm trying to get through the PJs because I feel like no one really cares about PJs, but I do. She has not seen Paw Patrol. I was like, what is his name? But you guys, she loves everything from it because she goes wow because of the little doggies. I really need to get her to watch this. But yeah, she has so much stuff from Paw Patrol, but she just doesn't like. I haven't put it for her, so I can't even say she doesn't like it. I've never put it for her, so she doesn't really know what she's watching. So it comes with this one and the shorts. All right, so that is it for the PJs. Let's get in to the other little kind of things I got at Target. All right, so I got 2 outfit sets. So one of them is this one. It comes with this shirt, and then it comes with this really cute shorts. I really wanted to get something a little bit more girly, I guess you could say, for when we do go out. I'm sorry I'm looking that way, guys. You guys are facing the opposite direction of me, so I can't see if I'm in frame. Just making sure I am. And then I got this purple one. My husband actually loves her in purple. He says that she looks so cute, so I got this one for her. It has cute little hearts on it. And then I really wanted to get her some basic shirts. Now these do look big. My husband says I think they're going to shrink, babe. They are Cat and Jack from Target. So he says that they're going to shrink, so I'm kind of hoping they do just a little bit. So I got 3 packs of these shirts for $14, which is pretty good. So I got this one, super cute tie-dye one, this purple and white one. See, I hate that some of these like are see-through. And then this is the other set which is this cute pink flower one, pink with white flowers, this nice blue one, and this nice white with colorful hearts. Although I feel like even if it doesn't fit her tight, I kind of feel like it look cute, like kind of like looking like a big oversized shirt. I think that would look cute with some shorts. Let me show you the shorts. So these are also, I thought, a really good deal. So I got, I think these were 2 for $9.50. So I got her 2 shorts. Again, I love that they have that, so I could just tighten it up on her little tummy area so it could fit her. And then I got her 2 of these. The other one's actually going to get here later on today's, but I wanted to show you guys and film this before. So I got her this dark wash Jack and Cat 3T, and I also got her a lighter wash as well. These were probably the most expensive thing I got, and these were $10 each. But I did have an 18-month for her last summer, and it looks so cute on her, so I really wanted to get her 2 new pairs, and the 18 months did not have pockets, and this one does in the back, so she's gonna love that. Well, her dad is. But yeah. And then the last thing that I did pick up was actually a set of 2 of these, yeah, it even says 2 back on it. I want to say these are boy shorts. What are these called? Oh my goodness. But Target messed up and they only sent me 1. So I reached out and they're gonna send me, they told me to keep this one and they're gonna send me another pack of 2, which is awesome because now she's gonna have 3. But yeah, I really wanted to get her some basic stuff like to go with those shirts. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is what I got my munchkin for spring, summer, and going into fall. I might get her a couple of other things. She definitely needs sandals. Her feet definitely grew quite a bit from last summer, so I do need to buy her some sandals and some shoes for summer, and some hats as well. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know where you love to buy your baby's clothes so I can go ahead and check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.